Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing iQOO New 9 Pro versus iQOO New 10 Pro Plus. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightness, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphones price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.